Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be filming a quick unboxing. I just wanted to say I'm sorry that I haven't filmed any videos in the last few weeks. Work has been ridiculously busy. I am planning to film a tag video that I was tagged in this weekend, so that will get uploaded this weekend if all goes as planned, but I couldn't wait to unbox this. This is technically a Christmas present, but I haven't seen it yet because it was just purchased and I wasn't able to go to the store, so it was all packaged up for me already, and I just wanted to inspect it and make sure that everything looks okay before it goes under the Christmas tree. So anyway, I want to make this quick, but I'm super excited to see this color, so let's get right into it. Here's the bag. The receipt. And here is the beautiful Chanel box. Now let's see if I can do this without ruining the ribbon so that maybe I can put it back on nicely. All right, so let's see here. Yeah, so someone else picked this up for me from the store because I was at work when my SA texted me and said that it was in. She had been on the lookout for it to arrive for me because she knew that I wanted this color so badly. Sorry, this is not coming off that easily. Should have just untied it. All right, there we go. All right, and this is the box. I'm so excited to see this color in person. Oh my goodness. Okay. So you can see from the dust bag that it is a classic flap. I love these dust bags. I wish they came with all the Chanel bags. And to reveal, oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Okay, the camera is not picking up the color. Oh, I wish it was. This is a really close to a Tiffany blue. It's coming up darker on camera. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm like so happy with this. I wasn't sure if it would really be a true Tiffany blue, but it is. And I really wish the camera was picking that up. Ugh. Anyway, it's lighter and has a bit more green in it than you're seeing on camera. I wonder if I compared it to a Tiffany box. You know what? I'll have to do that in another video, and maybe I can get the lighting to be a bit better. It is completely dark right now as I'm filming this, but so I don't have any natural light. But this color is stunning. Oh my gosh. I was on the fence about this because the price for the classic flaps are it's just gone up so much, and this, you know, in Canadian dollars, this came to, what was it? So it was about $6,800 plus tax, 13% tax where I live. So it's just crazy, but this color is gorgeous. Okay, let's, so the hardware is light gold hardware. There's still the plastic on it. Oh, I just love the color. It is gorgeous. Yeah, it's coming up just more of a blue. yeah, I was unsure because of the price, but this color is just one of my favorite colors of all time. I love it. So let's take a look at the inside. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm so disappointed that it's not coming up on camera as I am seeing it in person. Yeah, it's just a very, very close match to Tiffany blue. And the chain is all wrapped up so nicely. Anyway, I'm gonna keep this short. I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to pick up the true color. I will try to do that in some photos and maybe post them on Instagram. I love this color, and I really wish I could show you the true color. It really is very close to a Tiffany blue. It's got much more green in it than you're seeing on camera, and it is a bit lighter, so it's very pretty in person. So if that's the type of color you like, if you like these really pretty pastel colors, and if you like Tiffany blue, I think you'll really like this bag. Ugh, that's too bad. But yeah, I'm happy to have a medium large back in my collection. I did sell my ivory colored one in the summer just because I wasn't using it enough. But this color I will 100% use for sure. Yeah, and the caviar is beautiful. The stitching on it is really pretty too. It's like the, I guess you can kind of see the stitching stands out a bit because it's a bit darker than the leather. It looks really pretty. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. And please look out for the tag video that I'm going to do this weekend. Yeah, thanks so much again for watching, and have a great day.